Infora introduces the third standard syllabus-based Alpha2Omega mathematics lab kit here. Beautiful bag, well printed, colored, attractive. See this video I am unboxing in front of you. These all materials which is good, attractive and playful to all the kids who are studying in the second standard. It is purely syllabus based. Now we can see this is the Maths Lab CD we can use. This beautiful yellow colored CD we can see inside. The CD we can use about the Maths Lab. We can play and we can understand. Parents can help, and this is the additional CD which is the video tutorials of Standard 3. And this is the talent hunt, and we have two books which you can see in the kit, and book one is the math project. And in this math project book we have the all project is very clearly mentioned from the beginning to the end. And also the demonstration notes, see the demonstration notes have very clearly explained the demonstrations. This is the catalog above Alpha2Omega, very briefly about the mathematics kits and our board, workboard. See our shapes. This is mathematical shapes which is needed in second standard, a small shape which I prepared for you, and it's very easy to prepare for any kid. It's a playful materials, everything. And we have some additional materials which are about our scientists, mathematical scientists like Galilei, David Hilbert. So this beautiful thing about the ball, stars and the crescent moon, and about the pattern of multiplication. You can see the pattern of multiplication, calendar puzzle. You can see beauty of one is very important, and symmetry as well as data handlings. In between decoding ring is, this is beautiful decoding ring, this yellow colored. Smart multiplication table is there, smart charting is there, division is there, and as well as even and odd columns is very beautifully designed. Missing number is very well planned, as well as the missing numbers. So now the material kit we can open now. See, the material kit is well packed with all the materials. See, the materials are smart charting is the box. You can see the cover. See the material, the plastic material is very properly divisibly by and dotted rectangle is there. Some difference kit is there, and multiplication using sticks is this blue colored sticks is there, and the currency, the kit currency is there. Grooved sticks are there, the colored grooved sticks, and a beautiful tangram box is there, kit is there. And we have multiplication table, and as well as a multiplication of 9 with multiple packets or place value stick is also included in the same pack. And even and odd numbers are there, and which is very easy, and building blocks as well as place value strip. So this is the kit. So thank you, and for watching this unboxing video, see the link below.